Portable loudspeaker technology has just gotten better and better over the last several years. There's increasingly more models coming to market that are battery powered that allow you to experience high quality sound and bring that anywhere with you. After the success of their KC12 column PA speaker release last year, QSC are back with the CB10, which is a portable two-way battery-powered loudspeaker. But the proof is really in the pudding, so we decided to test this out with an intimate pop-up concert in a secret location that is so secret that not even So Far Sounds knows about it. So we're going to check this out. I have not heard a microphone or an instrument through it yet, so this is going to be kind of like a first look for me as well, and you can come along and let's get into it. Some packing materials here. Let's see. All right, so it is battery powered, and I did actually charge the battery in advance, so we're going to use that to our advantage. Just going to put it on the stand. On here. Okay, well, like I said, it's battery powered, so we don't need to plug anything in other than our microphone. We're gonna go to the vocal preset and let's fire this up. All right, I'm gonna plug in here and go to acoustic guitar setting, and then I'll just give it a little bit of volume as well.
How's that sound up there, everybody? Check. Okay. Not the only one to hold you. Never ever should have told you you're my only world. Don't you funky foot, kiss the girls and make them cry. Don't you funky foot, kiss the girls and make them cry.
The CB10 is built around a 10-inch high excursion, low frequency driver, which QSC says delivers exceptional low-end reproduction and extension. And this made me a little skeptical. So I did have to verify, and I connected my phone via Bluetooth to play some selections that feature a robust low end. Here's looking at you, late 90s, early 2000s R&B neo-soul, and I was actually pretty impressed with the amount of bass that this cabinet produces. A 1-inch compression driver handles the high end, and in terms of full range sound quality, the CB10 sounds excellent. The low end is present yet tight, and the mid-range and high frequency bands are defined and clear. And what that means is that, especially if you need to play recorded music through it, the CB10 is going to deliver. Now, obviously, a single one of these units is not going to fill a banquet hall or a large club on its own when it's full of people. Using multiple units would be necessary for that, but the CB10 isn't designed for large venues. QSC has other options for that. It's designed to maximize portability while providing as much power as possible. For our little pop-up concert, our single CB10 was more than able to handle the sound reinforcement needs for our audience, no problems. It wasn't running hard at all, and it actually had plenty of power left to give. I did open it up at one point and was quite impressed with how much sound and projection the unit had. Just make sure though that you're not holding the mic anywhere close when you turn that mic boost on. On the rear is a 3-channel mixer with 2 XLR 1/4-inch combo inputs, each with their own volume control and switchable factory input presets that control built-in DSP. And the 3rd channel has a 3.5mm aux input or can utilize the Bluetooth input for streaming. The Bluetooth connection supports stereo audio and also allows for connecting to the new QSC loudspeaker control app, which offers the ability to customize certain features and set a programmable room delay, which extends the CB10's usefulness to become a system extension for a distributed PA. The CB10 can be mounted on a speaker stand or sit flat on a counter or a table, or it can be placed on the floor and angled up using the cabinet's tilt-back design. The rechargeable battery provides up to 12 hours of operating time, and it's swappable without tools, and the battery is also sold separately, so getting multiple is easy and doesn't require buying the full unit. So that's the QSC CB10. I know unfortunately you're not able to fully experience this unit for yourself here on YouTube, but just based on my experience with similar units from other manufacturers and comparing them to the CB10, I do think that QSC have moved the goalpost forward for what is possible in a battery-powered portable loudspeaker. I was impressed by the CB10's punch and clarity and how well it filled the space we used for our pop-up. And based on that, along with features like the 3-channel mixer, I can see it being a no-brainer for solo performers doing small shows or outdoor markets, or for pop-up DJ events, or even schools and corporate meetings. But what do you think? Are you a fan of the QSC sound, and would you be interested in using a CB10 for your performances? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, this has been Andrew from the B&H Pro Audio YouTube channel, inviting you to always remember audio.